From the heart of Africa, where nature's wisdom thrives, comes a new era of plant-based wellness. With centuries-old herbal knowledge, combined with cutting-edge innovation, we create health solutions that empower lives. Our products are inspired by African heritage, ethically sourced, and meticulously crafted to meet the highest global standards. Through the fusion of tradition and science, we promote vitality, resilience, and balance for families everywhere. Join us on a journey toward sustainable health, where nature and wellness unite to create a better, healthier future for all. Biomuti. Nature is eternal.